let's see how much left for us blind box money. Let's buy one. How much? It costs 20. Let's buy one. Let's walk and wait. This is updating. Kasi andito na tayo. Andito na tayo guys. So natin po mabibili na dito sa $20. Ito na mga blind box. Dalawa na namin. Super cute to sa banti pa hindi na ito yung baby. Ayan na guys, it's open the blind box. Alcohol mo. Yan yung natin. Ano pa para natin na itong blind box. It's wet. Wet. So, natin sinantiso ang pad ko talaga. Kasi ito lang yung gusto ko. Hindi ko matutupad eh. Let's tango. Oh my gosh. There's over more. Oh no, it's there. Sorry. This is he has updated. Let's put it on the section. He has a very long sock. Ito yan. Ito yung ating index. Nakapagod. Balik. So, wala rin nabalik. So guys, thank you guys. Let's wait for the $70 muna. Kung makakaipon ako ng $70, bibilin ko. That's why, bye-bye!